Open the outer box. Then take out the product and accessories. Make sure you read carefully the precautions in the instruction manual. Please tidy up the surroundings before DEEBOT starts cleaning. Arrange the furniture neatly and remove all debris from the floor. Align the base with the card slot below the station. Press it hard and hear a click indicating that the installation is in place. Place the station against the wall on a flat, hard surface, and ensure there are no items within 5 centimeters on the left or right side, and 80 centimeters in the front. Connect the power and you will see the station indicator lighted up. You can find a button on the station's control panel. Press it shortly to start or pause the cleaning, and hold it for 3 seconds to start self-cleaning. Take out the DEEBOT and the side brush, then install the side brush on the bottom of DEEBOT. Make sure you press down the side brush firmly until you hear a click sound, which indicates a proper installation. Remove the extension hose from the storage box. Push firmly into the slot position. Take out the brush and the extension hose. Push the brush horizontally into the extension hose to make sure it is tight and not loose. When you hear a click, the brush is in place. After installing the brush, take out the brush hook. Remove the protective cover of the right side slot of the base station. Insert the brush hook into the slot of the base station and turn it counterclockwise to lock it. The extension hose can be placed in the right side of the base station. And when you hear a click, it means that it is in place. Take out the handheld vacuum cleaner. Put the main unit vertically into the base station's handheld vacuum holder, and the base station will start charging when it is connected to the socket. Take out the 3 small brush heads and place them in the storage box in order. Handheld vacuum cleaner installation completed. Open the top cover of the station. You will find the QR code inside to download the app. Install the app and log in after registration. Place the DEEBOT near the station. Remove the top cover. Turn on the power switch. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and allow the EcoVax Home app to access the Bluetooth of your phone. Turn the power switch to the eye and press the network button to release the Bluetooth hotspot. On the app homepage, click on Add Robot button. Then you will see all the robots nearby. Choose your DEEBOT to start a Bluetooth pairing. After the connection is successful, enter the home Wi-Fi account and password, and click Next to start the network connection. You may also choose to scan the QR code on the pairing page to do the pairing through a QR code on the device body. After the connection is successful, you can name the DEEBOT, set the time zone and language.
Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start quick mapping.
Okay, start quick mapping. Please check your EcoVax application for details.
DEEBOT starts quick mapping after receives the prompt. After the mapping is completed, DEEBOT will return to the station. You can view a map of your home via the EcoVax Home app. Open the top cover of the station. Take out the clean water tank. Fill it up to the max water level line. And finally close and tighten the lid of the container, and then place it back to the station. Say, "Okay, Eco. Start cleaning" to start sweeping and mopping mode.
Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
DEEBOT will wash the mop before the cleaning process starts. In mopping mode, when carpet is detected ahead, DEEBOT automatically lift the mop and perform only vacuuming to prevent wetting the carpet. It will also increase the suction power to better remove dust deeply embedded in the carpet. You can also select your cleaning preferences in the menu through the app, which including vacuuming, mopping and mopping after vacuuming, or adjusting suction or water flow level or frequency, etc. After completing all cleanings tasks, DEEBOT will return to the station for recharging. And the station will simultaneously begin dust collection, mop washing, and hot air mop drying, preparing for your next use. When the dust bag is nearly full, the app will remind you to replace it. Upon receiving the dust bag replacement reminder, press the release button on the station to open the dustbin. Then simply lift the dust bag up by the handle to remove it. Please fully charge the handheld vacuum cleaner before using it for the first time. Select a brush head and push it horizontally into the dust port of the handheld unit, making sure it is tight and not loose. When you hear a click, it is in place. Different brush heads can cope with different home environments. The Zero Tangle V brush can be used to clean carpets and hard floors and other scenes. The flat brush can be used to clean desktops, coffee tables, and other scenes. The crevice brush can be used to clean nooks and crannies, such as sofa seats and furniture crevices. The mini power brush can be used to clean sofas, beds, etc. Click the power button to start vacuuming, and click again to turn it off. The handheld vacuum cleaner turns on the default standard suction mode. To adjust to silent mode, click the suction button to switch modes. After cleaning, press the button to remove the brush head. Please put the brush head back into the storage box and put the vacuum cleaner back to the base station. The product will start charging and self-cleaning. The handheld vacuum cleaner will automatically collect dust through the base station without you having to manually dump it out. That's all for the basic guidance. Thank you for watching. For more advanced operations, please open the Ecovacs Home app and check the help and feedback section for more details.